Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Newburyport Bank Mobile Banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Newburyport Bank Mobile Banking app is designed by Newburyport Bank to give customers convenient mobile access to their accounts. The app enables users to check their latest account balances, review recent transactions, transfer funds between their own accounts, pay bills, and find nearby branches or ATMs via GPS. The app's main feature is its streamlined banking dashboard. You open the app, instantly view how your finances stand, deposit checks, if available for your account type, schedule bill payments, and transfer money, all without needing to visit a branch. It also supports alerts and secure login, depending on your device. Photos of checks and mobile deposit functionality are supported. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users report that the interface is intuitive and that it performs basic transfers and balance checks reliably. Features like bill pay and cashback offers via the app add value. However, there are some drawbacks. Some reviewers mention that mobile deposit or certain bill pay functions may not be as polished or may experience delays. Others mention occasional login issues or limited functionality compared with apps from larger banks. In summary, the Newburyport Bank Mobile Banking app may be worth using if you are a Newburyport Bank customer and want a straightforward, mobile-friendly way to manage accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and monitor transactions. However, if you need highly advanced features like full multi-bank aggregation, extensive investing tools, or advanced cash flow analytics, you might find the app somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.